Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. As we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news that the denouement of Bitcoin seems to be happening. But firstly, in the US, there was a very positive PMI report out earlier today from the ISM. They say that new orders, production and employment continue to expand, but supply deliveries are slowing, raising backlog issues. They also see raw material inventories growing and prices rising at a faster rate. North of the border, Canadian negotiators are becoming frustrated with the NAFTA talks and the US's zero-sum view of trade. As the talks drag on, the prospects for a resolution are dimming. In Argentina, their central bank is fighting high inflation and apparently losing. It hit 21% in 2017, far above the target 15% they set. But yesterday, the bank relaxed its goals and sent markets a very mixed signal about their commitment to fighting high inflation. It had an official cash rate of 28.75%, but it cut it recently to 27.25%. And there are elections next year in India. This year the government is getting prepared, and today's central government budget has an unusual policy that Indian farmers are to be paid at least 1.5 times the cost of their crops as part of the program to double farmer incomes by 2022. India may need higher import duties to achieve that. And global air passenger travel was up 7.6% in 2017 compared with 2016, with international travel up 7.9%. In the Asia-Pacific region, they're up 9.4%. December month growth was a little softer than these annual growth rates, however, and remarkably the largest global share of international air travel is from the European Union, accounting for nearly a quarter of all air travel. Asia-Pacific is next, almost a fifth, and North Americans only account for about a twelfth of international air travel. In Australia, APRA has released its interim report on the culture of banking giant CBA. The report essentially says nothing other than big banks are complex beasts. They're trying to understand the dynamic between CBA's financial success and any shortcomings in its responsiveness and management of risk. They say after all the detailed work of surveys of 10,000 staff, interviews with 100+ senior managers, and targeted focus groups, and consultation with outside agencies, they don't have anything significant to report yet. US 10-year Treasury yield is unchanged at 2.74%. The equivalent 10-year China sovereign bond is down, however, just a little to 3.93%. The equivalent New Zealand 10-year sovereign bond is up 1 basis point to 2.94%. Oil prices are up about $1 today and now just over $65.50 a barrel, while the Brent benchmark is now just under $69.50 a barrel. And gold is marginally firm at $1,342 an ounce. And the Kiwi dollar will start today higher at 74 US cents. On the cross rates, we're also seeing some small rises at 92.1 Aussie cents and against the euro 59.2 euro cents. That puts the TWI at 70.6 and its highest since early October. And Bitcoin is now just under $9,000, now actually at $8,971. A steep 10% drop in the past 24 hours. It looks like markets have decided the 10,000 level is not sustainable and there's a rush to the exits. Not helping is a new Facebook ad ban for the cryptocurrency and India's regulatory clampdown. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.